I'll take you to the mithai shop. We're going to go to the mithai shop because I think Indian food is really healthy, honestly. There's ghee, there's other good things. If you have ever had methi laddus, why is my hair looking like this? So we're going to do this. I'm not vegetarian anymore because I ate eggs today. Because I was feeling like my B12 is dropping. How do I know? Talent. I had salt taste in my mouth. I don't know what was happening. To my best friend Google, it was I'm dehydrated. I have B12 and zinc deficiency. My body is not absorbing nutrients. I know it sounds like a lot. So that's why I just panicked and ate eggs. That baki stuff first class hai, like Varun Dhawan said. Now the plan is I'm going to go and see what to get to eat, and y'all are coming along. Like you'll have an option really. This is what I'm wearing. I love finding my mother's old clothes, shirts, and taking them. It's like shopping at home. I'm going to figure out what to get today. I'm really curious to see what healthy snacks are there. Now the thing is that when you ask anyone, "Bhaiya, ye healthy hai?" they just say yeah. They don't. Honesty is not their policy most of the time. So let's see. Here's some construction sound for you. Oh, butterfly! Come to me. Butterfly, come my lady, come my lady. Is that a song, you know? You're my butterfly, sugar, baby. The guards just look at me like I'm some zoo se nikla hua janwar. They'll see me in like a sari one day. One day they'll see me in what hip hop? What is hip hop?
Hip hop style.
No, what is hip hop style? This yes, it is recording. It's funny how after a certain point you realize your mother is your only friend because she can't talk crap about you unless it's with your father. And then I have really sharp ears, so I always listen to her. I hear my name and I'm like, what are you all saying about me? Why are you talking about me? How dare you guys talk about your firstborn? And oh my god, there was an accident. But what was he expecting me to push the bus? I don't think I'm capable of that. So let me get to the place and then I'll start. I'm still walking. I have an update. The update is that something really funny happened. I got a couple of piercings at a very early age, and I'll tell you why. Because I didn't even have my ears pierced as a baby. So then you just want to overcompensate your whole life. So then, half the things I can't even tell you guys. So my father doesn't know about all my piercings. So, but he's in denial, thankfully. He'll see my tattoo also and he'll be like, "Yep, did you do this with some pen?" And I'm like, "Yeah, sure." It's a nice understanding. My father thinks I'm an angel. An innocent angel. I am, honestly. स्नैक्स में क्या क्या है भैया? हेल्दी? See, it's a question they need to ask each other. Consultation. हेल्दी स्नैक्स में हेल्दी सेहत के लिए जो अच्छा होगा. What is this? हाँ, ये तो मुझे पता ही है. ट्राई करने के लिए खाना. Thank you. That's the new single, Kakdi 20 rupees kilo. So I've got my dokla and my khandvi. I can't wait to eat it. My mother will ask me what to do and then she does what she wants. I'm living with a person who's like me. Is this going to get copyright? This Kakdi song. Summer music has stopped now. There's no background music other than traffic noise. That's a bus, that's a bird. These are all the bags I'm carrying. Weightlifting day. Why are these people, rickshaws and bikes coming from anywhere? I'm going to the stationery now. So a lot of people don't know this. Pune has a lot of these plazas, these things. Where is the stationery? हेलो फोन करा आपके पास से सुडोकू का बुक आया सुडोकू पजल हाँ नंबर वाला पजल Figure out what I want. Ink pen and a diary. God, let me show you something. This geometry thing is just giving me bad flashbacks. The protractor and everything. Oh my god, it's so complicated. Those diagrams. Geometry was not my favorite. We are done with our errands. Now, time to head home and eat my dokla and khandvi. I really love Gujarati food. I don't understand. So, I really can't tell you guys how much I love Gujarati food. The tomato ki chutney, gatte ki sabzi, that Marwadi food. You know when you get something and you want to eat it immediately and you have to wait to get home? I'm so close to just opening it and eating it right now. You guys don't understand how much I love khandvi and dokla. The sun is out and about, like me. Walking is fun. I'm walking uphill right now though. I don't think I do 10,000 steps a day. Seems a little intense. I know a lot of people do walk 10,000 steps. But you should not count your rotis and you should not count your steps. जितनी चपातियाँ खानी है खाओ, जितना चलना है चलो. बस. Let me tell you guys, this walk is endless, it's never ending. Look at the trees, you all enjoy the trees. Walkie, walkie. There should be a song about walking, just to make walking fun. There is walking like I talk it. These songs also, chalti chalti, wahi something something something. A lot of songs. We made it. Guys, time for an extremely realistic haul. First, let's get comfy, not for y'all. First things first, I wanted a diary because I like writing things down. Why? I have good ideas, let's just say that. This is an ink pen. This is Mr. Ranveer Singh. He's on this pen ka dabba. There are 3 cartridges. I knew it. Next, we got some. Oh, it fell down. Next, we got some food, which is important, honestly. Oh my god, I know this tastes good. That walk was so long. This just shows that to get somebody to walk. Oh my god. You know, now when I eat things, then I have to decide what do I eat first. This is the khandvi. I love khandvi. And dhokla. I just got the rice dhokla because it tasted really good. Okay, here we go. It's really crispy on the bottom. How is this my first time eating this? I'm sure I've eaten this before. It's like someone hugged my tongue. It's like rice hugged my tongue. Wow. It's really cute. I asked him what's healthy. He's like patties. I'm like, isn't there maida in patties? Then I told him, like, healthy means no maida, preferably. Although I love maida. And he's like, everything has maida. Honest man, right there. I didn't get mithai because... Do you all know what China grass is? That's my new favorite thing to eat with cocoa powder on top. I'm so happy, guys. Now the khandvi. Khandvi is the best thing to happen to mankind. I love dhokla also. But this dhokla is amazing. Normal dhokla is like really soft, spongy. This is slightly crispy too. What's your favorite thing? I love pani puri, but I like Elco's pani puri. So as I was saying, I'm not vegetarian anymore, technically. But I just felt as though I needed to eat eggs today. I don't know what it is, honestly. I took a nap yesterday and day before, in the afternoon. I think my body's not used to that anymore. And then I just started getting this weird taste in my mouth, salty taste in my mouth in the morning, before eating anything. And it's really intense and scary. But maybe it was taking a nap thing also, God knows. Because according to Ayurveda, I'm not supposed to take a nap in the afternoon. Love a good nap, but... Let's do something fun. What if I sandwich one khandvi in between 2 dhoklas? Wow. I'm so innovative. Do you all think I should register this dish that I've invented? Oh my god, this is a brilliant idea. I'm just full of brilliant ideas. This is a dokla burger at Khandvi. We need one more Khandvi in there. Because the Khandvi dokla ratio was a little off. But if you don't try things, how will you know what works? That's a fact in life. Ah! Okay, we're ready. This is the best thing ever. I'm not even being dramatic, guys. You know how you sometimes get cravings for certain things? It's a cool Khandvi. Okay, I'm gonna continue eating. That's all for today's video. Bye. Definitely eat. Have a good day.